was a man strong enough for me to take care of, and yet helpless. And no, what I mean is, all I needed was a man strong enough to boss me around, and yet helpless enough for me to take care of.
I can
That way
see.
I can
And you can talk. I never saw a place like this in my life.
Well, it's the only one on the block.
You've got a lot of explaining to do.
So do you, you lush.
Lush! Was that the... Oh, yeah, it was the... Yeah, it's my boss. Hi, Bill. Hey, I hope...
What you've done, Bill, you're crazy.
Look what I've made for dessert. You don't think it's too sweet, do you?
Where is she? She's gone. She's gone. With him, I don't have it. I'm gonna kill myself.
If it'll make you happy. Because bringing happiness is the only thing that's important to me. So don't be surprised if I show up on your unhappy doorstep someday. Better yet, be surprised because I'm not doing this again.